Let's break down exactly how to post on Instagram. Step 1. Open the Instagram app. If you don't have the app installed, you can download it from the App Store for iOS or Google Play for Android. Here's a pro tip for you. Get into the creator mindset. Many get scared of the idea of posting and actually taking the leap into this new world. So remind yourself that you are a unique creative mind with a fresh perspective to offer. Exactly what all social media platforms are looking for. Step 2. Tap the plus sign and select the type of post you want to create. Post, story, reel, live, or carousel. Here's a tip for choosing what type of content you want to create. Try the sandwich method, meaning think of your entire content strategy as a sandwich. It needs lettuce, tomatoes, bacon, maybe a little mayo. You wouldn't only put tomatoes. If you see you have too many reels, try posting a carousel or uploading some stories as well. Step 3. Add your content. With the exception of Instagram Live, no matter the content type you choose, you can upload from your phone's album or take a new photo or video and create within the app. Another pro tip for you. For creator efficiency, find all of your footage and photos ahead of time and put it in a separate folder. It can be hard to find exactly what you're looking for in the moment, and you could easily miss out on a great piece of footage. Step 4. Add your caption. After you've added your content, you can add a caption to your post. A caption can be up to 2,200 characters and can include hashtags, mentions, and emojis. Captions are a great space to optimize for your content strategy. Remember to include keywords that will match your content pillars so the right audience finds it. And finally, step 5. Once you've added your caption, you can choose to share your post immediately, save it as a draft, or schedule it for later. Now that we've gone through a post together, there's no mystery to it. Pretty simple, right? The process anyway. The content itself is a little tricky. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither was any majorly successful social media career. Let's keep going and keep growing.